proper day out. A lot of shows you go to, after 3 hours you're wandering around bored, but I think I could have 3 days here at Race Retro, but I haven't got 3 days, unfortunately.
It's the show to come to now for historic racing and rallying and motorsport. There's a massive range of cars, something for everybody.
It's a great place to come, meet old friends, talk to your pals, have a look at all the cars, discuss it and have a pint of beer.
This event is improving each year, every year it's getting better and better. I'm very proud to be here.